All right, 5 packs.
6 packs.
Well, that's 5. Well,
Okay,
sorry, 5 bundles. 6 packs of E-Fun. That'd be more.
Sure.
It looks like manufacturer ads.
Yeah, no, it's like it too. All
right.
Here we go.
Yeah,
All right, yeah.
it's like old man learned how to open.
Gosh.
Doesn't make you feel it. Your old man doesn't. I'm going to tear it off. I didn't even know that. All right, so pass out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you want 3.
Yeah, you do first, the other same too.
All right.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, now I got the sleeves ready. I need some.
Think we're going to need sleeves.
Hope so. Gotta pray for them, right? Get 2 out. 2 of these out.
All right.
Metapod, Ponytail, Poliwhite, Pikachu, Primate, Pharaoh, Onyx, Golduck, and Starmie, and Vaporeon. All right.
All right, you're on.
Let's do this. All right, so this is pack number 2. Very good at SIR. I think that's how you do it. I might have done that. I think I did it completely wrong. You got the Zapdos EX.
You put it down, bro.
Is it? And all these. Comments. I did the card completely wrong. Alright, you're upset. Good side, good side. Is it feasible? Yeah.
What the hell?
It's just hollow. Not too big. It's nice cards though. They're really nice cards. Alright, here we go. Round 3. Farfetch'd.
Your shadow's on the way.
Sorry. Shelter.
Helix Fog.
Trainer.
Fossil.
Slowpoke.
Got one
Dragonair.
already.
Hysija. Kabuto. Reverse Cloyster. And oh my, yes.
I don't even know what that means.
That's a huge hit. That's like,
you're in the shadow, man.
sorry. That's a huge hit. That's a big hit. These are one of the IRs I was talking about.
What about that basic energy? Is that cool?
It's cool. Yes, it's worth more than regular energies.
That the Machamp?
Yeah, oh, it's a nice one.
Stage 2.
Gosh, I'm not really good at this. Oh my gosh, it's a huge hit. Oh, that's nice.
Just need something that stuff on.
Here, no, I'll do the energy. Here, let me go on the other side. So I'll do the other side. Alright, my turn. Let's do this. That's a really nice hit. That's one of the more expensive IRs. So it's like, I think, 20 $30 in between. I don't know.
The best part is you get to go through and figure it out.
Yeah, true that. At the end, we'll do a plus or minus, so how much you gain. Code card if anyone wants to redeem that. Alright, here we go. We got the Pika, Farfetch'd, and Tico. Oh, I see something nice back there. Pidgeotto, Tentacruel, Snorlax, Sandslash, Reverse Porygon, and Reverse Omatai, and Alakazam EX. That's a nice card right there. $10, $11 price. That's a nice card. Really nice card, actually. Alright, you're up 10. Really good pull, though. Yeah, this is a really good item. I think right now we're doing pretty good on the day. It's from behind.
Yeah, trying to. They want to play. Alright.
Code card if anybody wants it. For any TCG players out there. We got Squirtle. We got Licky Tongue. We got Venonat, Pidgey, Nidoqueen, Big Tree Bell, Big Balloon, Reverse Queen, Reverse and Hologram Z. Alright, last time today. No, another day. Next day. There we go. Alright, last time. I'm sorry. Trash. Go card. We got Magmar, Shelter, Bellsprout, Horsia, Nidoqueen, no, Golduck, Pinsir, Reverse Charmander, Reverse Ekans, and Hollow Nidoqueen. Ooh, nice energy. Alright.